Bonjour, soyez les bienvenus sur Olive Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Foundation to Reading Comprehension 1. Chapitre 2. Les syllabes. This is the continuation of the lesson. So if you are watching the video on YouTube, you can get the link to the previous videos in the description down there. Allons à la leçon du jour. Let's go to today's lesson. Before you continue, click on the thumb up, like the program, and subscribe. Click on the bell so that you can receive the lesson whenever it is released. Passons à la leçon du jour. V plus voyelle. We are going to use V and vowels to form syllables and words. Le son de V est V. The sound of V is V. Lisez après moi. Read after me. V, A, va, V, E, veut, V, I, vi, V, O, vaut, V, ui, vu, V, E, V, V, E, V, V, E, V, va, veut, vi, vaut, vu, V, V. Vous avez bien suivi? Passons à un test. Have you followed well? Let's have a test. Lisons. Let us read. Prononcez la syllabe quand elle apparaît. Pronounce the syllable when it appears. Prêt? Ready? Voilà. Let's continue. Apprenons à lire. Let us learn to read. Let's read the following words. Now, as we have learned in the previous video, the last alphabet that are in blue do not sound. So, S and E in this case will not sound. Don't forget, we have learned that E does not sound at the end of a word in French, in exception of some few words that will be learning. On y va. Lisez après moi. Read after me. Vie, Eva, vive, vase, laver, avaler, la vie, la lave, la ville, le vélo, la salive, la vallée. L'élève a vu la vallée. Ali avale sa salive. Elle a lavé le vélo. Eva se lève. Elle se lave. Elle va à la ville. Merci. Nous voilà à la fin de la leçon du jour. Au revoir et à la prochaine fois.